Here we have a 69 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition with the gold brake calipers behind. We also have the white exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, Pan America front grille with the gloss black Mercedes badge in the centre. Coming round to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel again unmarked just down there. We have the side steps on the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. We then have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the glass sunroof. It's currently on a tilt, you can also slide open all the way. We do have the gloss black rear spoiler as well on the tailgate, sitting nice and aggressive. We do have the front and rear parking sensors with 360-degree cameras and a visual display inside. Coming around to the rear, you find the rear diffuser, and we do have the power operated tailgate. Press the button just here on the remote, you'll find that the boot will open. Now inside of here, you can see we have plenty of space whatever you may need. We've got the parcel shelf at the top, storage net on the left hand side, along with hooks as well, either side inside of here. Coming back out, you'll also find the handle just here, along with a button. Press the button, and you'll find the boot will close again, like so. Back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look at the interior now, inside of the back, you've got the full black leather seats with the grey stitching, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well, with the vents in the centre for the rear passengers, the AMG floor mats. We also have the wooden effect trim on the doors with the premium MERCEDES sound system and electric windows. Taking a look at the front, you find the same leather seats, both front seats being heated. They're also electrically adjustable with the memory functions. There's a look at the roof as well. As you can see again, we've got the electric functions for the seats with the heated seat function, MERCEDES sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. So you find we have the volume buttons here on the left, I'll just turn the volume down, paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, cruise control and speedometer on the right. Digital dashboard free from any warning lights. We can also change the view. As you can see, we have plenty of different features which you can scroll through on the dashboard. You can also change the design. So if you go to classic, you can see it will change. We have the main infotainment screen though in the centre, which is currently showing the DAB, FM and AM radio stations. We also have other features, so you find the sat nav just here. We have the phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Then if we go onto the main menu, you'll also find we have the other options. So we do have the ambient lighting, plenty of colours to go through, looks really nice at night time. We have the media options, we also have the apps just here, which if we go onto the smartphone, you find Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Further down, you'll find we have the vents with the ambient lighting inside of there. If that's flickering or any of the screens are flickering, it is just a camera. We're not flickering in real life. Dual zone climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning. We have some storage space underneath here, cup holders, wireless phone charging and a Type-C USB port. Touchpad just here for the screen along with the drive modes, so if we just toggle this switch, then you can see we can switch through the different drive modes just like so. Put the car back into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera with the 360 view on the right. Then if you put it into drive, change it to the front facing camera. We can also switch through all the individual camera options, and as you can see they all work as they should. If you put it back into park then finally we have the armrest, which can be opened up for extra storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm going to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side and staying straight through. Now we're doing a multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode you can simply tap all the paddles to change gear. We have the volume button and phone connectivities on the left, along with the speedometer and the cruise control buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us as well, which you can share with different displays and different features that you would have seen in the walk around video and also on the photos. You have the premium MERCEDES sound system, which really does sound incredible, but if you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we have plenty more features on the interior of the vehicle. We have the glass sunroof just up there, full leather seats as well, really comfortable, can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We have front seats being heated, perfect for them cold winter mornings. We also have the wooden effect trim running across the doors and also here in the centre, really makes the interior a nice place to be. We then have the main infotainment screen as well, it's currently showing the sat nav, but has plenty more features again you would have seen on the photos. We also have the automatic gearbox, which is really smooth through all the gears. Now we're about to take a right hand turn, so we've got our right indicator on, we're starting to slow down. We're going to wait for the traffic to pass before we can make the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So just wait for these cars to go past. I'm going to take the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Add onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, put the reverse camera and the 360 view on the screen, back into a drive, change to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries of you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.